Hello everyone and welcome to this beautiful 7 chakras activation yoga practice. Today we are going to work on balancing and activating the 7 main energy centers of the body known as the chakras. In yoga and ancient spiritual traditions, chakras are considered energy wheels that influence our physical, emotional, mental and spiritual well-being. When our chakras are balanced and open, we often feel more peaceful, energetic, confident, creative, loving, and connected to ourselves and the world around us. Chakra activation through yoga, mindful breathing, and meditation can help reduce stress, improve concentration, increase emotional balance, support inner healing, and create a sense of harmony in daily life. This practice is not about perfection, it is about becoming aware of our body, your health, and your inner energy. So, today we will being from the root chakra at the base of spine and gradually move upward through each chakra until we reach the crown chakra at the top of the head. As we move through this journey, breathe deeply, stay present, and allow yourself to experience a sense of grounding, openness, and inner peace. Find a comfortable position, relax your shoulder, soften your face and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let's begin our beautiful journey of activating the 7 chakras. Root chakra यानी कि मूलाधार चक्र. We begin with the root chakra or Muladhara chakra located at the base of the spine. This chakra represents safety, stability, grounding, and our connection to the earth. As you move into this posture, imagine root growing from your body deep into earth. Feel supported, secure and safe. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Silently repeat, I am safe, I am grounded, I am strong, I trust my life. With every inhale, invite stability and strength. With every exhale, release fear, anxiety, and insecurity. Feel the red energy of the root glowing brightly at the base of your spine. Sacral chakra यानी कि स्वादिष्ठाना चक्र. Now we move to the sacral chakra located just below the navel. This chakra is connected to creativity, emotions, pleasure, joy, and self expression. Breathe deeply and gently soften your body. I am creative. I honor my emotions. I welcome joy and abundance. Visualize a beautiful orange light radiating through your lower abdomen. Release emotions blockages and allow your energy to flow freely. Again and again you can repeat, I am confident, I am powerful being, I believe in myself and I can achieve my goals. Yes, I am creative, I honor my emotions, I welcome joy and abundance. Now we will talk about Manipura chakra. Bring your awareness to the solar plexus chakra located above the navel. This is the center of confidence, personal power, motivation, and self belief. Take a deep inhale and repeat, I am confident, I am powerful, I believe in myself, I can achieve my goals. Imagine a bright yellow sun glowing within your abdomen. Release self doubt and invite courage, determination, and inner strength. After every chakra activation process, we will take a small rest, inhale and exhale. Heart chakra यानी कि अनाहता चक्र. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest, the heart chakra. This chakra represents love, compassion, forgiveness, and emotional healing. Breathe gently into your heart space and repeat, I give and receive love freely. I forgive myself and others. My heart is open. I have lovely heart and I have love in my whole life. Visualize a softened green light expanding throughout your chest. With every breath, invite love, kindness, and peace into your heart. थ्रोट चक्र यानी कि विशुद्ध चक्र. Move your awareness to your throat, the center of communication and self expression. Relax your jaw and breathe deeply. Repeat, I express myself clearly. My voice matters. I speak my truth with confidence and kindness. I imagine a calming blue light shining around my throat. I release fear of judgment and allow your authentic voice to emerge. थर्ड आई चक्र यानी कि आजना चक्र. Now focus on the space between your eyebrows, the third eye chakra. This chakra represents intuition, wisdom, insight, and inner guidance. Take a slow deep breath and repeat, I trust my intuition. I see clearly. I am connected with my inner wisdom. Visualize a deep indigo light glowing at the center of your forehead. Allow your mind to become calm, clear, and focused. Now we will talk about crown chakra यानी सहस्रार चक्र. Finally, bring your awareness to the top of your head, the crown chakra. This chakra represents spiritual connection, higher consciousness, and inner peace. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. And repeat, I am concentrated or I am connected to the universe. I am peaceful. I trust the divine flow of life. Imagine a radiant violet or white light above your head, gently surrounding your entire body. Feel yourself expanding into peace, gratitude, and pure awareness. final relaxation and closing. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel all 7 chakras aligned, balanced, and glowing with beautiful energy. From the root chakra to the crown chakra, your body, mind, and spirit are connected in harmony. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for showing up today. Carry this sense of peace, grounding, love, confidence, creativity, and clarity with you throughout your day. Bring your palm together at your heart center. Take a deep breath. Bow your head gently. Thank you yourself for the practice, and we will meet in next yoga practice. Till then, bye bye. Namaste.